And returning to the United States, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi captivated thousands of Indian Americans at a grand event in New York. The excitement was palpable as he spoke of India's rapid advancement in technology and its growing influence on the global stage. The Prime Minister also signed agreements with President Joe Biden on manufacturing semiconductors, strengthening regional security and ties between the two nations. Here's our story with more.
We're so excited to see that how Modi ji has really brought up the whole country and the global imprint on the world.
We were waiting a long time for this event. We were very excited to come, and he's our leader. He's a global leader.
Minister of India is in the house. Let's give a huge New York welcome to His Excellency, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi stepped onto the stage at the Nassau Coliseum in Long Island to a thunderous applause, met by a sea of excited Indian Americans chanting his name. The energy was palpable as thousands waited eagerly to hear the leader they so deeply admire. And without disappointing them, Prime Minister Modi opened on a powerful note.
Bharat Mata Ki.
The Indian leader began by acknowledging something as simple as the traditional Indian Namaste.
Namaste, US.
Which he noted had long journeyed from being a local gesture to now a global greeting. And who does he credit for this transformation? The Indian diaspora.
भारतीय डायस्पोरा के सामर्थ्य को समझता रहा हूं। जब मेरे पास कोई सरकारी पद नहीं था, तब भी समझता था और आज भी समझता हूं। आप सब मेरे लिए हमेशा से भारत के सबसे मजबूत ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रहे हैं। ये सम्मान
Addressing the diaspora as India's ambassador to the world, Prime Minister Modi thanked them for respect and cited the power of the Indian Americans ahead of the November 5th US presidential election. But the Indian Prime Minister did not just stop at cultural pride. He quickly transitioned to India's growing technological prowess, particularly in the realm of manufacturing and semiconductors.
वो दिन दूर नहीं जब आप मेड इन इंडिया चिप यहां अमेरिका में भी देखेंगे। ये छोटी सी चिप विकसित भारत की उड़ान को नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाएगी।
His message was clear. India is not slowing down. Yet despite the surge towards becoming a global tech powerhouse, the Prime Minister assured the audience that India does not seek dominance but harmony.
2024 का ये साल पूरी दुनिया के लिए बहुत अहम है। एक तरफ दुनिया के कई देशों के बीच संघर्ष है, तनाव है, तो दूसरी तरफ कई देशों में डेमोक्रेसी का जश्न चल रहा है। भारत और अमेरिका डेमोक्रेसी के जश्न में भी एक साथ है।
After addressing the diaspora, the Indian Prime Minister also met CEOs of America's top tech and business firms. Google CEO Sundar Pichai, Nvidia's founder and CEO Jensen Huang, and Adobe CEO Shantanu Narayan were some of the big names that met the Indian leader. But when it comes to America's domestic politics, speculation remains about whether Prime Minister Modi will meet either of the two presidential candidates. While campaigning in Michigan last Tuesday, former President and Republican nominee Donald Trump said he would meet Prime Minister Modi at the end of this week in New York. However, India's Ministry of External Affairs informed that even though many meetings are being fixed and the process is ongoing, at this moment we cannot confirm any specific meet.
देखिए, जैसा मैंने पहले ही कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ कई सारी मीटिंग्स इस समय हैं जिनको हम फिक्स करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. जितना समय उपलब्ध है हमारे पास मीटिंग्स के लिए, तो अभी मैं किसी स्पेसिफिक मीटिंग के बारे में आपको नहीं बता पाऊंगा कि मीटिंग्स फिक्स हुई हैं या नहीं. हम सभी दृष्टिकोणों से देख रहे हैं कि कितना समय हमारे पास है और किस किस से मीटिंग हो सकती है. तो जैसे भी जो भी लीडर्स के साथ मीटिंग फिक्स होती है तो उसके बारे में मैं समय पे आपको अपडेट करता रहूंगा.
आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
So as the night drew to a close, Modi Modi chants still echoed in Long Island.
भारत माता की.
A reminder of the unbreakable bond between India and its people, no matter where they are in the world.